विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, मागील काही व्हिडिओमध्ये तुम्ही रिप्रोडक्शन इन लोअर अँड हायर प्लांट्स यातील व्हिडिओ अभ्यासलेले आहेत. रिप्रोडक्शन इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ ऑर्गॅनिझम or offspring similar to the parents. Each and every living organism having the ability of the reproduction to maintain the continuity of the progeny. Various organisms either reproduce asexually or sexually. Asexual reproduction takes place without formation and fusion of gametes, while sexual reproduction takes place with formation and fusion of the gametes. In plants, sexual reproduction takes place by the formation of the flower. In the life of the sexually reproducing plant, which consists of the two parts, vegetative phase and reproductive phase. Vegetative phase is the phase before the maturity, while reproductive phase is the phase after the maturity. This maturity in the plants is indicated by the flowering. The flower is a main organ of sexual reproduction in plants. Flower, which is highly condensed and modified shoot, mainly developed for sexual reproduction. And each typical flower consists of floral axis and floral whorls. Floral axis, which consists of pedicel and receptacle or thalamus, while floral whorls, which consists of calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. Out of these four floral whorls, two whorls do not participate in the reproduction, which are known as non-essential whorls or accessory whorls, while those whorls which participate or involved in the reproduction are known as essential whorls. In flower, essential whorls, which includes androecium and gynoecium. Androecium is a male sex organ, while gynoecium is a female sex organ. Androecium, which consists of many smaller units which are known as stamens, while gynoecium consists of many smaller units which are known as pistil. In this figure, look toward the cursor. Stamen, which consists of filament, anther and connective. Generally, in the stamen, connective is not observed externally. Only two parts are observed or seen, filament and anther. While in pistil, which consists of ovary, style and stigma. With the help of these two essential whorls, plants can bring out the process of the reproduction. Stamen, which is a male sex organ, and it mainly consists of functional part, that is anther. Each anther, which internally contains anther lobes and pollen sacs. Details of the TS of the anther can be observed in the figure, and in this figure, which shows outer part, that is epidermis, then middle part, endothecium and tapetum are the different parts which are present in the anther wall.